I have your votes, please? Good evening, Yugoslavia.
In the silence that followed, they knew that
Good evening, Yugoslavia.
Frank Neff is on the phone. You can't see him. He's on the red phone. Something's gone wrong.
We have still some difficulties to get Yugoslavia, but I think they are coming in.
It's probably a Russian plot, you know.
If I could see the scoreboard, I think...
Yes.
There you are. Yugoslavia rolling through.
Good evening, Yugoslavia. Could I have your votes, please?
I don't have it.
Yeah? Thank you very much.
This is a bit of a problem here now, because I think Yugoslavia are in a bit of a sulk. She just said that she doesn't have the vote. Maybe the jury won't give her the votes.
Yes, I'm here.
There she is.
Yes, Yugoslavia, I can hear you.
I'm calling Dublin. Belgrade calling Dublin. Do you hear me?
Yes, can you hear me?
Here are the results of the Yugoslav jury.
Carry on. Carry on, girl.
Hello, Dublin?
Hello.
Yes. Okay.
Fine, thank you.
Here are the results of the
The
Yugoslav
miracle
jury.
of television.
Greece, 1 point.